Go to Microsoft Store, type CCleaner, click on Get, install it, start CCleaner, click on Start. Now you will start with Custom Clean. Click on it, click on Analyze. Now you can click on Run Cleaner and clean it all. Now click on Driver Update. From here you can update any driver which is out of date. Third option, Registry. You can scan for issues. And then click on Review Selected Issues. Now you'll get an option, do you want to backup the registry before making changes? If you want to give a backup, click on Yes. Else, you can simply click on No. And then click on Fix All Selected Issues. Now in Tool section, you can uninstall any application. Click on any application, click on Uninstall. Now click on Startup. From here you can enable or disable any application. Now go to Browser Plugins. From here you can check browser plugins, how many browser plugins are there and which you want to keep or remove. That's it. Thanks for watching.